Jai Janendra. This is the first time I had an opportunity to speak first because Saz usually are the last names. My wife happened to be, Vadar, so thanks for me. Oh, okay. Anyway, first of all, thank you and congratulations to the nomination committee and the election committee. They have done wonderful job, better than when I was the president before. And I think this process, whole process is evolving. That tells our Jain Center is going forward and in right direction. Another thing I can say on behalf of, I'm sure that everybody, all the persons here will agree to that. We want you to think before you vote, and only reason I want you to vote, I do not want you to vote for me, but I want you to vote for the right candidate, not right candidate for your personal interest or your friends or your relatives or anybody. Because here when we come to the Jain Center, we are told that keep your personal feelings, keep your friendship, keep your personal relationship, animosity or anything outside of the Jain Center. When you come here to wash your sin, not to create the new sin here. So, I request that only vote for the people who you think are the best for the Jain Center, best for the Jain Sangh, not best for your own personal thing. And if any one of us, including me, if we don't fit that one, we don't deserve your vote. So please, keep it in mind, just vote what is best for the Jain Center. Anyway, I'm sure that with this, our community, that's very easy and very simple. So why I am standing here in front of you to be the president of the Jain Center? I had been the president of Jain Center before. I had been vice president. I had been in building committee, and I had been in many other committees. From the day when we started this Jain Center and what we are today, Jain Center has progressed so tremendous that it really needs a very powerful, very resourceful, and very decision-making committee which can really take it to the right path, because our Jain Center, particularly the Jain Center in USA, are very unique. They are not like a typical Jain Center or Jain Sangh or Jain temple in India. The Jain centers here in USA they are combination of multiple Jain centers of India. You have here Digambar, you have Shwetambar, you have everybody. So now it comes 1 minute warning, so let me just tell you what qualifies me. When you walk in there in this building, I feel privileged that you walked in the building which somehow I'm part of, I have felt that I contributed to. Another thing, when you walked in there, you saw the wooden temple. That was another opportunity I was given by Jain Center to move it from Las Vegas to Los Angeles. So during my time, I had been extremely lucky to have accomplished so many things. I was lucky that we bought the post office building during my presidency. I was lucky that we were able to buy the parking lot next to the airport during my presidency. And I was even lucky when when I was the ex-president, I was able to negotiate the Volvo parking lot across the street. And so things are there, whether I had been on the position or not, but I'll continue to serve, and I hope that you give the due consideration to all the merits of all the carat and make the right judgment. Thanks a lot.